What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can fix Snapchat support code SS06 problem. Well, the process for that is very simple. You just need to follow these simple instructions. First things first, clear the cache. For that, you have to open up your Snapchat and then in the Snapchat tap on your profile. Tapping on your profile will bring up these options. Here you have to go to privacy. In the privacy, you will be able to see an option for clear data. Just go to clear data. In the clear data, tap on clear cache. Now, after tapping on clear cache, they will just want you to confirm it. Just tap on clear to clear it. This thing should fix the error. If this thing doesn't fix the error, you should offload your app. In order to do that, you have to go to your settings. In the settings, go to general. In the general, go to iPhone storage. In the iPhone storage, find Snapchat, tap on it. Afterwards, you will be able to see an option for offload app. Just tap on it. And there you go. Your error should be gone. However, if this thing also doesn't fix the error, just try reinstalling the app. Now, if reinstalling also doesn't fix the error, you just have to contact with your customer support. For that, obviously, we all know go to settings. In the settings, you will be able to see an option for help. Just go to help, and in the help, you'll be able to find an option for chat or talk to them, and then explain them you what are the issue that you're facing, and they'll be able to help you out. So that's pretty much it. That's all we'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.